What's the meaning of baton? Baton. Baton.
Baton. Baton. The word baton has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Its most common meaning refers to a short stick or wand that is used as a symbol of authority, especially by a conductor directing an orchestra or by a police officer. In athletics, batons are used in relay races to pass from one runner to another. It can also refer to a cylindrical metal or wooden rod used by twirlers or majorettes in marching bands. In military circles, batons are used as ceremonial staffs for high-ranking officers. Overall, the term baton largely denotes an object that serves as a symbol of leadership, authority, and power across different contexts and fields.